Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? Why do I laugh? Because I'm always happy to hang out with you guys. And I'm seeing you guys out here in these London streets on a regular. I'm living for it because I feel as if I'm talking to you, that you are right in front of me. Anyway, my name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. For those of you that may be asking and wondering, and yes, I am so grateful and happy that you have decided to stop by. You're so very welcome indeed. Are we living and loving for the casual warm? Yes, baby. Simple t-shirt, and then I just have these pants that I think I bought. What, I can't remember. I really cannot remember. What I love about them, can you see a sweater leg at the bottom? I love it. I love it. Super, super duper comfortable. It's a bit warm. At the same time, it's a bit cold because I've got the studio lights and that's what's keeping me warm. You must be wondering, for me, what is on your hands? I got henna. Henna. Can you see? I know. I like this. It's the moon, it's the stars, it's positivity, it's all of that. And I have them all over my hands. It's another parent at Adrian's school, and I admired her. I said, will you do it for me? And she said yes. So came to the house and we had a fabulous time and we were kicking. It was just so refreshing. Anyway, my darlings, why are we here? We are here, and I tell you why we're here, is because we've got Mena and her man back in the news. Yeah. And it says here, Safaree files a petition to reduce his $4,305 per month child support payments and asks judge to make Mena pay his legal fees. Oh God, let me read. So it says here, in the documents obtained by InTouch, they are claiming the couple reached a divorce settlement back in 2022, but recently learned Safaree filed a petition in Georgia court back in June of 2023 to reduce his payments of $4,305 per month. In Safaree's new petition, he stated he no longer makes $61,000 per month. In Safaree's new petition, he stated he no longer makes $61,000 per month, and there has been a significant change in his circumstance regarding the custodial arrangement as well. He claims he typically keeps his children for 3 to 4 weeks at a time instead of the 12 days as prescribed. He has 2 children with Erica and $4,003. I just want to check something here, okay? We have 1 child in this house, and Adrian's daycare, Ula paid £2,500 a month. So you double this when it comes to 2, so that would be about $6,400. Yeah, all right. On top of which, he was making $61,000 a month. And he was only prepared out of that 61 to give Erica $4,300 for the 2 children. I don't know about you guys, but is that not selfish? You see, when it comes to care for the children, you forget that there's a house, that there are utility bills, that on top of the kindergarten or the nursery school, all the schools that they go to, because they are celebrities, so these children have to go to other schools. They will most probably go to private school. Then what about care for them when they come home? Okay, Erica is working, so let us say that they split that all the way. That he makes $61,000, and yet I remember he bought 2 Rolex watches for what is her name, one other reality star. I remember that very well. But now you want to, grovel and scrape, and you want the money to be less because you're no longer making $61,000. I'm almost certain that if we ask him, how much are you making now? It's still more than half. These are your own children. It's not as if you are giving her money for other children that are not yours. These are your children, and all you can give is $4,000 plus, and you said that you had them for 3-4 weeks at the time. Well, Erica came out with the receipts today and said this is a chart, and it shows you exactly how many days Safaree has had the children. You see, you have to listen to both sides. because somebody right out here in these streets is telling lies. Let us continue. He says his income has changed because he's not appearing as a full-time cast member on Love and Hip Hop Atlanta, and his bookings have slowed down as a direct result of Erica's actions. Again, the blame game. Always the blame game. That Erica, you know, is tarnishing my name, and so I'm not able to make money. Erica is not tarnishing your name. Erica is speaking up for what she truly believes her children, your children, deserve. And in the eyes of the public, of which you monetize and you profit from, there are a lot of mothers out here, there are a lot of fathers out here, there are a lot of couples out here that say, you know what, Safaree, you can do a little bit better. He gave Amara's twins 2 Rolex watches. It goes on to say, in the suit, he is claiming Erica, referring to him as claims a deadbeat to her 6 million followers, has resulted in him booking fewer jobs due to the majority of his fan base being female. You know, sometimes when you read these things, you say to yourself, is he not understanding? Is he not understanding? Is he not understanding that women will always stand with sisterhood? That you cannot do one of us like that. Because if you do one of us like that, then that means that you can do it to us. You had the female fan base partly because of Erica, or you did not know. Or am I wrong? Please put it down there in the comment section. Because it directly tells females how you treat your queen at home. They love you. They loved you, they liked you because of the way Erica presented you to the outside world. That's why we came and support you, because we thought, okay, maybe this is a good one out of the ones that are out here. That was what it was. But you misunderstood that, and you really thought that you had game. You really thought that because you had a flat torso and you had all of this bling bling that we were falling on your feet. No, 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 no. You see, you underestimate our intelligence. Women are beautiful. I accept and I agree. We are tantalizing every which way, and we are loving and we are supportive, and we support other sisters men to say, you know what, he Erica man, let's support him because he taking care of the kids. That's how it goes. The second you don't take care of the children, push Erica aside, because Erica really doesn't have anything to do with it. If you guys break up, ooh, 2 of you break up. But it's a personal thing. It's a personal thing with women, because we all have, majority of us, nieces, nephews, daughters, sons, grandchildren, friends that have kids. We mother. We don't only mother ours. We mother all. So Erica's children are mine. Or you did not know. Or you did not know. You do not think that if I saw your children, Erica's children, unattended and at the road, at the street, at the corner street, that I would not jump in and say, stay right there. And I would cross them over. And I would find out what adult was responsible for them. And if I couldn't find, I would be with them. Because that's the responsibility of a mother. You lost your fan base because of the way you treated her publicly for us to see. Because Safaree, you ran after that child. You ran after Erica. I've talked about Erica many times on this channel, and Fumi Nation knows I always say, know the man, know the man, know the man. You had me fooled for a minute because you really ran after that girl, only to treat her like that. Let me move on. In addition to all of this, he's claiming Erica's income has increased. So he's requested the judge lower his income and make Erica pay the legal fees. Facts. If Erica is making more money, yes, she can step up and do more. But not to the point that you do nothing. That's all that I am saying. 4,000 out of what? Your income has greatly reduced. But you did not say that it has reduced down to less than half. I'm under the impression, bare minimum, you're still coming home with 30K a month. I am not reducing anything. You can pay the 4,000, let me just double check this, 4,305. If that's all you do, if that's all. Plus, we've come to find out that you're not altogether being honest. No, you're not being honest. That in actual fact, you've only had the children for 12 days of this year. That is 1 day a month. I can understand you're a celebrity. I can understand that you also have gigs and you have commitments of which you have to comply to. But having said that, 1 day a month is a little bit of a stretch, because that means that Erica is out here in these streets and she's doing it for the other 29 or 30 days, because some months are 31. So, what do you have to say for yourself? As far as I'm concerned, you don't have much to say at all. Mom is yellow and dad is orange. Let me count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's all that you've had of 2024. And Mama has had every single day since. And this was back in July. We don't know what you did for August. We don't know what you did for September. No. She's marked it. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. He didn't see the children in August. He didn't see the children in September. He hasn't seen the children in October. I'm under the impression because of this dispute. That's what she's stating here. Imagine trying to detect CS from your BM. Baby mama, when that they got from you, since he skips out on birthdays and Christmases by choice, and you only seen your kids 16 times this whole year so far, shaking my head. But you act like you this big money man for the gram, and all you have to do is pick your kids up from school. You don't ever have to make contact with me, shaking my head. I swear, when I say these are my kids, I say it with my chest for a million reasons. Oh, wow. That's all I have to say. That's all I have to say, Safaree. Safaree, you have to do better. And you know what? You should lose all your female fan base. If that's how you feel really comfortable in treating your children. And do you know, because I have friends that co-parent, that they've broken up and they are co-parenting beautifully. There's a particular friend of mine, and the husband, the ex-husband, doesn't have a job. He comes and he takes the children in the morning because she goes to work. Anytime the children are unwell, he takes care of them. And he said, I don't have the money, but you know what? I'll give you the time. You can make an effort. You feel as if Erica is being this mean human being. No. And I say this to all the men and the fathers and the ex-husbands out there. Women, we do a lot. We always been doing a lot. It's not even the money. It's the empathy, it's the compassion, it's the understanding, and it's the not trying to fight me with the kids. It's to say, Erica, you know what? Let me come through. You know what? Give me the babies. Give me the babies. It's okay. You know what you do? Okay, go. No problem. I'll take care of them. Do you know that Erica won't fight you for the money? The thing is that Erica will fight you for every last cent, because that is all that you are giving. Because you're doing the bare minimum. That is the issue. I have a lot of Fumi Nation sisters who tell me, Fumi, I'm a single parent in a married home because my husband does not lift anything. The resentment is choking me. The resentment is what kills off everything. Why do I want to sleep with you and get me pregnant for the 3rd time to do all of this work by myself? Why can't you just show up and let it be a little bit light on me? You know why? Because as single mothers, as mothers, who do we really trust with our children if it's not the daddy? And on top of that, we see the hurt in our children's eyes when daddy is not there. Do you know, and this is a fact, I have the picture right here. Ula travels a lot for work. One day, and I didn't know, I was sitting down in the kitchen with Adrian and we were eating. Adrian started crying. It was tears where they just trickled down his face. He didn't make much noise. That was so alarming to me that I scooped him up right away. I almost started crying myself because he was feeling something. And then he went across the table and he took this picture of us. And he kept on putting his hand over Daddy. I called Ula right away. I said, FaceTime, Adrian needs to see you. He misses you. I know that this is not new for my single mothers. They go over and above because they see the hurt in their children's eyes. Because the children learn very early to mask and to lie, not to hurt mommy, but they miss their daddy. Because they go to school, and for parents-teachers meetings, other children's fathers are there, but you are not there. For the birthday, you are not there. But mommy, I like the present. Thank you. Thank you. But they're dying inside. Do you know what any mother would do to take away that pain? And so she redirects that animosity to you. And it is well directed and is well deserved. But you don't think anything of it. And then on top of that, to add insult to injury, you are gifting other children Rolexes. You can't even show off for your own. And I believe Erica. I believe her. I know she's not telling lies. I've heard this story many a time. Fathers, please do better. Do better. Do not punish her by punishing the children. Don't do it. And let me tell you something. It's only for a short time. These children grow up so fast and they will come back to you. And they say, oh, Daddy, but you knew I was here. But you knew I was here. Translation, no excuse. It doesn't matter what you were doing with Mama. You knew I was here. I did not offend you. I loved you. I love you still. I needed you. I looked for you. I searched for you. I waited for you. You knew I was here. Do not forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, and I will see you sooner than later. Yeah, I'm upset.